Hello everyone, here we're going to take some hair and then adding a rubber band to it. Then we're going to use this puffed rubber band for making this into beautiful voluminous bun, and now we are going to use the excess hair to make the braids and then rolling them out onto our bun and adding this beautiful pink ribbon over it. When it's ready, you can see you are done with your hairstyle. Next, we're going to take this pony, converting this into two braids and then folding them all together by using a rubber band like this. After that, taking the remaining hair and making two braids out of it and adding these beautiful accessories. Next, we're going to take all of the hair, making two ponytails and then folding them once. Then adding a rubber band on that and then folding them again to make this beautiful pattern. Then we're going to take the remaining hair and making four braids out of it, two at each side, and adding these clutchers. Next, we are going to take all of the hair and then we're going to section them into two parts, taking two ponies, one at each side, and then we're going to fold them once. After that, we're going to make braids like this and then folding the braid once again like this. After that, we're going to add this beautiful bows, and now you can see you are done with your hairstyle. Next, we're going to take all the hair and then taking this ponytail, converting it into two braids and then folding it together and making this beautiful lifted design. Then we're going to make two more braids and then folding them again similarly. Then taking the remaining hair, making two braids and keeping them as it is. Next, we're going to take this high ponytail and then we are going to section it into three parts. After that, we're going to start making a braid by twisting it and passing it on the other side like this. When it's ready, we're going to keep on expanding the hair strands like this to give it this beautiful effect. After it's ready, we're going to fold it out in round shape and making this beautiful bun. Next, we're going to take all of our hair and then we're going to section them into two ponies, one at each sides, and making the thin braids out of that. Then we're going to make the space in the ponies and then we are going to make these beautiful bows out of it. And it's ready.